Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring numbers. Kids course name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow color, white color. Kids night coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. It's night 6. The numbers of 6 and here's yellow color. 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10 T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids night draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. 12. The numbers of 12 and again use blue color. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and last data 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.